Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In this video, we are going to see Ekanta, our exclusive range of embroidered silk cottons. Today, I'm going to show you beautiful silk cotton saris with simple and subtle embroidery in the saris as well as in the blouses. Let's quickly get started. The Light Up sale is on. Up to 10% discount is available across the website. Flat 10% discount is also available at both the stores in Chennai and in Bangalore. All the saris that I'm going to show you today are pure hand-woven silk cotton saris with embroidery patterns. These saris are a mix of pure silk by cotton, carries 60% pure silk and 40% cotton. These saris are as good as silk saris and have to be always dry cleaned for a longer life. First one for today, lime yellow with copper sulphate blue. Kadi zari borders in contrast to the body color on either sides with block prints running all over the body. Beautiful embroidery along the block printed motifs running throughout the sari. A contrast pallu in copper sulphate blue with embroidery and block prints. A contrast embroidered blouse in copper sulphate blue, priced at 4,890. Peacock blue with red, one more beautiful sari with contrast kadi zari borders on either sides. Very subtle all over block prints with peacocks printed towards the bottom part of the border and highlight hand embroidered pattern running along the bottom part of the sari along with small motif highlights in embroidery running throughout the body. A contrast embroidered pallu in red, that's the pallu, and a contrast blouse with embroidery, priced at 4,890. With this, we'll move on to plain silk cottons with contrast embroidered blouses. All these will be machine embroidery. This one is a beautiful golden shade of yellow with contrast selvage on either sides. A simple contrast pallu in magenta, that's the pallu. This has got a contrast embroidered blouse and a heavy embroidery for the sleeves, priced at 3,690. Dual shade of magenta with black, contrast selvage. A plain contrast pallu in black, very classy and elegant. A contrast embroidered blouse, and that will be the embroidery for the sleeves, priced at 3,390. Red with green, another beautiful sari with contrast kadi zari borders on either sides. The body goes plain in red. A contrast pallu in green, that's the pallu. And this has got an embroidered blouse in green, and that will be the work for the sleeves, priced at 3,890. Teal green with navy blue, another beautiful sari with kadi zari borders on either sides. The body goes plain in teal green. A contrast pallu in navy blue, that's the pallu. And this has got a very pretty mirror work pattern for the neck, and that will be the pattern for the sleeves, priced at 3,890. Lotus pink with black, one more beautiful color combination with contrast kadi zari borders. The body goes plain in lotus pink. A contrast plain pallu in black, that's the pallu, and that's the embroidery for the neck, that will be the sleeve, priced at 3,690. Tomato red with violet, another pretty color with contrast borders, plain body, that's the pallu in violet with simple lines of zari, an embroidered blouse in violet, that will be the neck, and this will be the embroidery for the sleeves, priced at 3,850. Deep magenta and mustard, a very pretty color combination with contrast selvage. The body goes plain in magenta. A contrast simple pallu, that's the pallu. A mustard blouse with embroidery for the neck, and that will be for the sleeve, priced at 3,390. Coffee brown with copper sulphate blue, another beautiful sari with contrast kadi zari borders on either sides. The body goes plain in coffee brown. A contrast pallu in blue, that's the pallu. This has got a very pretty instrument pattern embroidery for the neck and the same pattern for the sleeves, priced at 3,990. Tomato pink with green. This one is partly style with the top part of the sari going plain with antique zari woven borders. The middle portion of the sari will be in green with zari woven pattern. A contrast pallu in green, that's the pallu. A very pretty and a classy embroidered pattern for the neck and a simple embroidery for the sleeve, priced at 3,890. Black and mustard, another pretty sari with contrast selvage and mustard on either sides. The body goes plain in black. A contrast mustard pallu, that's the pallu. That's the blouse with embroidery for the neck and a very pretty embroidery for the sleeve, priced at 3,690. One more in Patli style, green with pink, contrast borders with plain body in green. The middle portion, that is the pleated portion of the sari, is in pink with zari woven borders. A contrast pallu in pink, that's the pallu. A very pretty embroidery for the neck, and that will be the sleeve, priced at 3,890. Copper sulphate blue with navy blue, another pretty color combination with kadi zari borders. The body goes plain in copper sulphate blue. A contrast pallu in blue with simple lines of zari, that's the pallu. A blue blouse with beautiful peacock embroidered pattern for the neck and a heavy embroidered sleeve, priced at 3,850. Bottle green with pink, a very pretty color combination, the last one for today with antique zari woven borders on either sides. The body goes plain in bottle green. A contrast pallu in pink with lines of zari, that's the pallu. This has got a heavy floral embroidered blouse in pink and a floral embroidery for the sleeves, priced at 3,850. All these saris are available in our website. To buy these saris, you have to log on to www.prashantisarees.in. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.